The sitting vice president has proven time and again her knack to run her mouth without the benefit of long, careful, and enlightened thought. Her latest verbal assault against her boss is clear indication the image or the one in the mirror who ought to take a good long look at is not a man, but rather a woman. Arclazel Pardilia on the first in the line of succession who's been on an extended streak of paid-off time in this report.
No politicking, no vacation. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is all action. The palace fired back at Vice President Sara Duterte. She said that the president should reflect on his own actions when calling on others to refrain from politicking.
Tama naman po na ang bawat tao, lalong-lalo na po ang public servant, ay dapat nananalamin at ina-assess niya yung sarili niya kung siya ba'y nagtatrabaho, namumulitika o nagbabakasyon lang.
Malacanang emphasized the president is focused on public service and has no time for politics. Today, the chief executive led the turnover of ambulances to various local government units. Last week, he distributed agricultural equipment in Nueva Ecija and provided livelihood aid to fisherfolk in General Santos City. The palace then questioned where the vice president was when she made the statement.
Hindi po nag-aaksaya ng panahon ng ating Pangulo para tumulong sa taong bayan. Trabaho lamang po talaga ang nasa isip ng ating Pangulo. Sa ngayon po ba ay nasaan si VP Sara o si Vice Presidente nung yan ay sinabi niya? Nasaan po ba siya ngayon? The Hague. Ang Pangulo po, aksyon, aksyon, hindi bakasyon.
The palace also denied that President was attacking anyone, contrary to VP Duterte's claim that she was merely defending herself.
Mas magandang ma-review po niya yung kanyang mga sinabi. Tandaan po natin, nung inilunsad po yung 20 pesos na bigas, yung po ba ay pag-atake sa Vice Presidente? Pero inatake niya po ang proyektong ito ng Pangulo na 20 pesos na bigas. At marami pa pong sinabi ang Vice Presidente na hindi naman po issue.
Malacanang assured the administration remains focused on creating jobs, including reintegration programs for returning OFWs and test the skills training for Filipino workers. Arclazel Pardilia for the new and better Philippines.